Hello, welcome back. Hope you're well. Right, it's Sunday morning and it's time to work on the chassis. So I need to cut this bit out here. You can see the lines and that what I've done. But this bit here, so I need to cut this out. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to cut it with a grinder. That's the plan anyway. Okay. Right, I'm just going to film it from here because I don't want to damage the camera. Right, the edge of the wheel's gone, and that's what caught. Bloody hell, I broke my fingers. Yeah, a bit wary with wheels. I had one explode in my face, about 12 years ago. And so I know what it's like. Yeah, like being shot by a gun. Right. Right. Actually, the edge went off the cutting wheel, so I'm going to have to pick up some more cutting wheels in the week and some grinding wheels. I'm going to cut it out and then grind up the rough edge just left I just felt it go out of balance and then it jammed. And I thought, is it? And I've done it again. I thought, yeah, hang on. So I have had one of them explode hit me in the head. Not very nice. Not very nice at all. I was very lucky that time. I didn't have glasses on. It hit me right here, and I thought I'd been shot actually. The bang and the force it hit me with. But long story anyway. I'm not going to go into that now. So I've got two little points where I really just need grinding down, but like I say, I'll cut them off. I've tried it with the engine on the pulley, and obviously it needs tidying up. But as soon as I get the stuff where new grinding wheels, cane wheels, we'll tackle that. My next job really is the steering. I want to sort of steering out, so I won't do that until, because I've got to bolt it all up nice and tight to get it all line up. So there's no point doing that this morning, but we'll get on this video. But, that's another thing. Look, it's gone, and it's slowly coming back, and it's annoying me. I want something to pull on. Yeah, so anyway, we'll carry on, but I'll see you in a second. Right, basically what I've done, cut along there, cut along here, cut along there, cut along here is where the wheel finally give up. I've just got to cut this bit off and this bit off, and obviously clean all this up, grind it all up, clean it up. I'm trying now just in case I forget. I'll put all everything on, but the pulley just catches on well, mainly on this one. It's just a matter of taking that little corner off and trimming it up. Right, it's the end of Sunday night, so it's pretty good like that, doesn't it? Don't be fooled. Just chuck the seat on there so my grandson could sit on it. We did cover the seat, he didn't sit on it at that state. But yeah, like I say, I've still got to trim up them bits when I get the grinding disc and cutting disc. I've just been playing different bits, got the steering arms on now. I don't know if you can see it in this light, but got them on. Just, like I say, they're stock at the moment, so just try to improve it so they wouldn't rub and drag as much as they did before. Got to bolt the steering column on still. Steering has been working. I think that's it for tonight. It's getting late, so I think it's time to call it a day, and then we'll start again tomorrow. Hopefully you can see that. This is what I've cut off. So the idea is, I've got the belt on at the moment, so that's caught up. That's typical. As you can see, I've pulled it down a bit. The idea is the pulley can be put on and took off. It will go up there. Don't look like I've gone up from there, but so from that angle, does it? But it goes up past this bit of metal, so I've cut all this out so the pulley can be took off and put on. I think the old camera's struggling because the sun's coming in, it's quite dark underneath it. Hopefully you can see what I've done there. And I know this belt, you're going to struggle again with the light, ain't you? But this belt is all perished. And I did say before when I did the pulleys it was too long, but considering it's stretched to hell, it's not bad. I don't know how much you can see it. So there's only two bolts holding the engine in, but it's in position. I've got two, I don't think you can see it, to be honest with you, because of the light. These two bolts here, they're actually guides for they're like two pins going up. They're guides for the belt. They need bringing out really. Obviously that'll loosen the belt off a bit, but yeah, I'll get out of here and then I'll just talk about the belts a little bit. As you can see, the belt's coming a bit close together. Hopefully you can see it okay. And it just misses the top of the bolts and the steering column. I've just altered it so it's a bit awkward at the moment. It looks like it's touching, but it's not quite. The pulley's dropped down a bit again. The engine's bolted on. But I cut the bolts, just it's got to be took off and cleaned up, and we've got to get it going. That'll probably be the next video, I should imagine. Steering's connected. Oh, we've not got too blurred. Oh, it should clear itself. Hopefully that's not too blurred. Oh, it's gone blurred. There you are. So, you can sort yourself out. Yeah, so I've got the steering connected. That's just a notification saying mix gone live. Alright. Yeah. Alright, we'll chat about the belts. Hopefully the video's come out. Well, I was underneath just now and you've seen that. Well, I've shown you why I cut the chassis out to put the pulleys up and the belts and all that sort of stuff. So I'm hoping that's come out okay, because it's a bit dark under there with the light coming in for the door and usual sort of excuses. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that belt because that is stretched to hell. I've got to move 2 pins over, the 2 guides for the pulley. The pulley's wider, so I want to move them over. We'll give it a bit more slack. But that is a new belt, was stretched quite. Well, an old belt was stretched quite a bit, and it's all perished, as you can see in the film. So I'm hoping that that'll bring it all in tighter anyway when I put a new belt on it. And what I'm going to try next is the belt off the Westwood. I've got a spare one of them. That's still stretched though, but I've got a spare one. What's the PTO belt? Well, it's exactly the same size as the drive belt. It's the same belt on that one, so it's quite handy. So I'll put the spare for that. So I'm going to try that on there, because if I can get a Westwood belt to fit it, they're on eBay for around about £10 a time, and I'm probably going to burn quite a few of them out, especially with setting them up. So I'm going to try that next, see how far out they are. I haven't even held it up to measure it to have a look, so it's worth a look at it, and we'll try it. So the next video on the Mower on Charlene will be either some tyres been done. I might do a quick video of that, and I might, well, they're probably not down the Project Charlene, but I'll do some tyres. I mean, little tyre machine there, because some people want to see that. And but I want to concentrate on getting the engine off. I've only pulled on a couple of bolts. Getting the engine off, cleaning the engine up, and getting it started. So that will be the next sort of, either the next part of Charlene or the part after. Once we get it running, we'll be away. The only thing I've got to get for that is the little bit of plastic what goes onto the carb, what your petrol pipe connects to. Louis nicked it for the Westwood. I could nick it off for that, but what's the point? There's a little bit of plastic. That's all that's got to be done to that. And I've never had that started in all the years it's been here, and it's been here quite a few now. I've never drove the Mower, so I've never had it running, so who knows. So hopefully we can get that started. But I want to crack on as well with Louis Westwood and get that started, because I've managed to get hold of some petrol. I don't know what happened with Jacko, but I had to go and get it myself. And so I'm going to get that started. I've just put the battery on charge, and yes, I'm going to crack on with that. So that's enough of this for now. So I shall see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, share, all the usual sort of stuff, ring the bell, and I shall see you next time. Bye for now. Alright, hopefully the bit of video come out okay of the belts underneath. Move this chair, keep banging its toolbox. Yeah, hopefully the bit of video comes.